Μα έχει σημασία να το δείτε κι εσείς.
Let's look at a country that has been for a long time, Greece, and that is we're still not in a situation where it's had this bailout. Is it going to get it, do you think?
The negotiations on private sector involvement concerning Greece are currently ongoing, and they are reaching the final stage shortly. And I trust that we will see an agreement between the Greek government and the international creditor community shortly.
How short? When will that be? When do you think that will be? What sort of time frame are we talking?
Well, in the coming weeks, I would say.
And are we talking about more than 50% of them having to write off more than 50% of their debts?
I don't want to go to any exact number here, but the agreement will be based on the agreement of October European Summit.
Which was 50%, so it won't be more than
50%.
It
yes.
won't be more than 50%.
It depends how you define it, but it will be based on the agreement of the October European Summit.
Okay, so you're confident that there will be a deal reached with the private sector, and then the bailout will follow?
Say, subsequently, the second program will be negotiated by the EU and the IMF on the one side, and the Greek government on the other side. And I trust that in the coming weeks we can also work out a new second program for Greece.
Okay. Should Greece be in the euro, do you think?
Greece did not reveal the truth of its economic and fiscal situation in 2001 when it was accepted
So it should not be in the euro?
But Greece is a member of the euro, and it will be a member of the euro.
Should it be a member of the euro?
Greece is and will be a member of the euro.
That wasn't actually the question I asked.
But that was my response.
People need to have confidence. And people hear politicians saying things that they don't believe that they actually mean.
In fact, I mean what I say, definitely.
But
Greece is and will remain a member of the Eurozone.
You didn't answer my question, though. And it may be because you can't.
I can, certainly. I mean, Greece was accepted to the Eurozone in 2001, partly based on false statistical information. But that's past, that's 10 years ago. Now we have, in the past 2 years, together with the Greek authorities, we have revamped and reformed the Greek Statistical Office, and Eurostat, the European Statistical Office, has stated that the Greek statistical data now is...
so it's in, but it won't happen again?
In order, and is something to be trusted.